Hello, this is Robert with CGS. In this short video I'm going to be showing you our View Depth Override tool, which is part of the CGS Revit tools. In this drawing I have a building and I have a bunch of trees here. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to jump into my site view. So here we can see the building, and I also have some trees going at a different depth here. So what I want to do here first is I'm going to create a section. So I'm going to create a section, and I want to create a section from here. Let's go over to here. Okay, so this is what I want this section to look like. So now I'm going to come into my section view. And there you can see the building, and we also have these trees. Well, these trees all look the same and they're overlapping. Okay, you can't see any depth there. So part of the CGS Revit tools, we have a command called View Depth Override. And so to access this command, we're going to come up to the ribbon. We're going to go to the CGS Revit Tools tab. Then we're going to go to the View panel, and we're going to select View Depth Override. So the View Depth Override dialog box comes up. And we've got our depth settings. So it says divisions. How many different divisions do we want to have? So I'm going to say let's break this thing up into 6 different divisions. Here you can see I've got 6 trees. So there are going to be 6 different areas. Then the color I want to use, I can pick any color I want. I'm going to use black here, so I'm going to keep it on black. So what's going to happen here is it's going to find the tree or anything closest is going to be dark black, and the farther away I get, it's going to start turning gray. Okay? So we have an option here to hatch pattern override. So that's what I'm going to do, and I'm going to select OK. And now you can see, here's this tree, nice, bold, and black, and as I get down here, I've got a nice gray tree. So it's showing me the depth, which one's closer and which one's farther away. I can access the command again. Other things we can do is we can invert that selection. So if I go OK, now you're going to see the farthest away is dark black, and the closest stuff is in gray. And lastly, I can go back to my View Depth Override command, and I can hit reset, and it resets my model back to the way it was. This concludes this short video on View Depth Override.